The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Callaway County, Kentucky, southeastern Marshall County, Kentucky, southwestern County, Kentucky, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:38 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Turkey Bay to near Murray to 10 miles northwest of Paris Landing State Park, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Turkey Bay, Golden Pond Visitor Center, Wranglers Campground, land between the lakes area, Canton, Aurora, New Concord, and Linton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Marshall, and Trigg. Severe thunderstorm watch number 23 remains in effect until 2 p.m. for the